In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send your lead from ThriveDesk to your ActiveCampaign CRM. For this video, I'm going to use the Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an automator application which allow you to automate the several tasks between one app to another. So let's jump into it. Inside your Pabbly dashboard, you have to create a workflow. Let's give it a name. ThriveDesk to ActiveCampaign and create it. So once you create an workflow, it will ask you what kind of workflow it is. So let's select the webhook here and it will give you an webhook URL. So catch webhook recommended, and I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and inside ThriveDesk app sections you will see a webhook area. Now here what we will do, we will create a webhook here. Let's delete this one. So let's create an webhook to active campaign. Secret key, put anything random and callback URL. So we will send all the new conversations that is created inside ThriveDesk to this webhook. You can send all these events, but for this video I'm going to stick into the conversation workflow, and I'm going to assign this webhook to the specific inbox so that other email coming to these inboxes will not get affected. So it's only affected on the support channel. You can select multiple inbox as well. So let's select it. So now my webhook is created. Now let's go to the Pabbly. As you can see, this webhook is waiting for a response. So let's send an email to the support inbox. So head over to support. Let's copy this email address and let's send an email from Gmail address. Let's see. So once you send an email, it creates a new conversation or ticket inside ThriveDesk, and once it created, it will send a response to Pabbly webhook as well, and with that response we can now set up our actions as well. So while we are waiting for this response, you can create a action called ActiveCampaign. Let's create this action, and we will going to use create or update contact. You can select multiple actions here, but for this video I'm going to select this create and update contact. Let's see if, yeah, so as you can see, I already received the data. I have all this email thing, so I have the contacted email address and their name as well. So let's go to ActiveCampaign and connect. So I don't have any connection as of yet. Let's keep as it is, and you have to go to ActiveCampaign settings and developer tab to copy this value. So let's head over to ActiveCampaign developer settings and developers. Let's copy this URL, put in the URL field here and also the developer key and paste here. So our connection has been created, and now we have to map this data. Before I map this data, let's see I have a contact or not. This is a freshly set up account and I don't have any contact yet. So let's map this data. So in email here I will be using the contact email, and for the first name and last name, what we can do inside ThriveDesk, send you the name. So we have to split this name to first name and last name. If we search name, it doesn't have the split. So in the middle we can set up a filter like split, I guess, or let's check for the Pabbly router, iterator, delay, API, email, text formatter, I guess. This is the text formatter. Action event, it will extract, find, replace, split text. So I need to split the text, the name. So enter the data. So I'm going to take this name and I'm using the space as an separator and segment first. So let's see how it looks like. Separate is required, so space like this one I have to copy or write this as a space separator. So let's see. As you can see, the split is between the key, and I need to add the second as well, all. So let's try it another time. Now I see first and last name. So let's close this one, and now I'm going to use this first name and last name. So I got the email address, I got the first name, I got the last name. For now I don't need anything else, so let's save and send the test request. So if it is success, you will see lead details inside your active contact. So let's wait for a while, and as I can see, the information has returned. So let's come here and refresh the active contact dashboard. Inside this contact menu, you will see a new contact has been created. So that's it. This is how you can create a new lead inside here, and from here you can do all your automations and all the things you wanted to do. So inside ThriveDesk, you have a webhook app where you can select the multiple event where you want to send the data from ThriveDesk to your automation tool like Pabbly in this case. And from Pabbly, you can send a lot of data, like we have forwarded a lot of data. You can put this data as a field in your CRM. So I hope this video is helpful. I will see you in the next video.